What's up, guys? Wyatt here, and with Daniel. And so today we're gonna be discovering this garbage can. We're gonna do it really quick because I have baseball practice in a little bit. So I'm gonna show you a way how to get it up, and just a sort of easy way. You just step on this, grab onto these, and step on this, and there you have it. And what the? Okay, so looks like I found something bad. Do you know? So it looks like I found a bullet pack of handguns, Magnum, and it looks like a 50 bullets in there. So it's like, that's bad. I'm not sure if the one thing construction workers did it. Right next to the potato, it's right next to the potato. And you see the like beer can, and then there's the potato, then there's the bullet. And this is really shocking because why would we find bullets in a garbage can? And that's super disturbing. So let's hope not one of the guys aren't trying to kill somebody. So here's Daniel again.
Wyatt's gonna get down and we're gonna show you guys. We're gonna investigate this drill right here because we've just found a drill just laying on the ground, and we didn't see it a couple of days before. So yeah, we're gonna check this out. We're also gonna check out this weird cement, but we gotta do it really quick. So this is a pretty big drill. Like, okay, that's my leg. Like, that's my leg.
Holy crap. Like, just this thing is like 50 pounds.
Okay, and this is the whole entire drill. Like, the drill.
This is like 50 pounds.
This is the end of it. This is gasoline powered.
This is like the first part, and it weighs like 50 pounds. So, including the motor, and it's probably at least 350 pounds, or maybe even 400. And here's the gasoline right next to it. So yeah, and here's the cement over here. It's like me and my friend Lorenzo, we dug this up, and like the day it got wet, me and my friend Lorenzo put our like footprints in it, and our like wheel tires, our tire tracks, and then we went to school, but it's still a little bit wet, but it's probably gonna dry.
Look, if I hold it here, and you see that, I'm gonna just put my thumb in, and there's a little thumb.
And there's a rock mark that I put in.
Yeah, and sometimes you can just like pop
Take
this
it off.
stuff out. It's like amazing. Okay, we're gonna show you these rocks, and that's it. This is a huge pile of rocks. Wyatt, could you like stand by the rocks?
Like,
Okay, so that's the rock pile, and that's Wyatt.
it's like, I'm taller than it, but it's like, if it was all squished in straight brick, it would be at least
10 to 19 feet.
Yeah.
Yeah, the funnest part about this
Like 30.
is if we go like this, you just get a slide down. It's really fun. Wyatt's gonna do
All
it.
the way up, all the way up, all the way up. Okay, so guys, like and subscribe, and if you heard the word green, comment.